Hello everybody, today we are going to be working on a 2015 Triumph Tiger 800 XRX. We are going to be installing a Two Brothers Racing Black Series M2 aluminum canister exhaust. The muffler and accessories are sent in this sturdy cardboard box. Inside the box you'll find a high quality canister and accessories. Moving on to the bike, you'll see the stock exhaust. Here's a little picture of the end cap and just a pull-out view of the side of the motorcycle. We'll begin the removal of the stock muffler with a 12mm socket. Then you'll go down to the downpipe and use a 10mm socket to remove the clamp. Make sure everything's nice and cool before you start working on it. Once the hanger bolt and pipe clamp are removed, you can wiggle the muffler assembly off the bike. Here we have the Black Series aluminum canister, and we're going to attach the flanged downpipe to it using Two Brothers X style clamp, which is really high quality. Once you have those two items together, you take the assembly and you place the downpipe into the pipe clamp located on the bike. After that, you take the canister strap, wrap it around the muffler, and hang it from the bolt hole. Install the bolt with the nut on the back, and then take your 12mm socket and tighten that bolt and nut. Once those are tight, go down to the X clamp and tighten the 4 bolts with the supplied Allen wrench. Finally, go down to the downpipe where the pipe clamp is and secure this bolt as well. And yes, this video is playing in reverse. Remove the packaging film, then stand back and admire your beautiful new exhaust.